Mm-hmm.
Hey, looks like Granny Smith got a new dog. Now this is crazy. You never serve white wine with black cat.
Are they getting you, Cayenne?
I don't know if you're a country music fan. I think it's a bit unfair to stereotype. It's really not all heart-sick guys singing about their truck or their dog or their cheating wife or their dog driving off in the truck and running over their cheating
He's
wife.
gonna get ya.
Sometimes country music's about the finer things in life, like celebrating the virtue of good work.
He's gonna get ya. Oh no, you couldn't go back to 10?